That is such a large amount of snow in such a short period of time there, especially in those coastal regions and the small streets. They're having a hard time with it. Here in central Indiana, for you snow lovers, maybe a few snow showers in the forecast later on this evening, but nothing to really write home about. 28, that's the current temperature right now. The winds out of the west-southwest at 7 miles per hour. Sunrise 7:43, sunset 6:16. We'll see more in the way of cloud cover today. We won't see a tremendous amount of sunshine, but I do think we'll have maybe a little bit here and there. But here's what you need to know and what to expect over the course of the next 12 hours or so. The Arctic air is set to return later on tonight. As the Arctic air comes in, we'll deal with snow showers that could reduce visibilities, and the wind will pick up as well and gust over 30 miles per hour. So right now when you walk out the door, it's not all that bad. 28 in Bloomington, 27 in Muncie, and 31 is the current temperature as you make your way into the Lafayette area. It's also 31 in Logansport. 20s as you work from Kokomo to Greentown over towards Gas City, and 28 is the current temperature in Pendleton. And with that wind, again, it's not all that strong, but you're still able to factor in wind chill values that are in the low 20s across most of the area. So as you plan your day, you notice the temperature quickly warms into the upper 30s rather. It's right around 40 to 41 degrees for our high temperature heading into the afternoon hours. It becomes very breezy though as that front starts to approach. Now this morning we have a few very light rain showers mixed with a few sleet pellets on TrueView radar. These will not impact your morning commute, and then as you look further off towards the northwest, our cold front is now just approaching Minneapolis. And as this front comes through, again, it doesn't have a whole lot in the way of moisture with it, but what it does have is the potential to bring a few isolated snow showers, and these snow showers could be fairly vigorous. And what I mean by that is as they come through, they could reduce visibility fairly quickly, even though they're not going to put down a whole lot in the way of accumulation. So certainly for the evening commute, maybe there could be a few issues on the roadways north of Indianapolis to the south. I think we are just fine. And then heading into the day on Thursday, we'll have to watch for a lake effect snow band that could set up in northern locations. So again, these high temperatures occur shortly after the noon hour. 46 in Columbus, 45 in Bloomington, cooler to the north. And then these temperatures, actually, they'll quickly start to fall here throughout the overnight hours. And by tomorrow morning, we're only going to be in the teens.
Tomorrow morning, cold with temperatures in the teens, wind chills in the single digits for many locations, and that possibility of light snow. So let's talk about it in the forecast. What's next for us as we move forward? That possibility of light snow in the overnight hours, the Arctic blast tomorrow, and Valentine's Day forecast that it's pretty cold as well. All right, so let's go into the light snow here. This is TrueCast, our forecasting model, picking this up tomorrow morning. You notice that we see some pretty light snow, but it remains to the north. I think at any point throughout the early morning hours, we could see some light snow, but what we're seeing here with our forecasting model is that it stays in the northeastern portion of the state. As that system begins to slide down, that lake effect snow, it slides over Peru into Muncie, bringing the light snow. As we talked about, only minor accumulations with this system. We're talking a dusting to a coating of snow as this system slides through. Now, throughout the afternoon hours, we're still seeing some light snow in the northeast quadrant of the state. That system begins to move out and dry out on Thursday night. As it dries out, I think we're going to see that cloud cover kind of stick with us throughout the overnight hours. So the cloud cover sticks around in the overnight hours. What's next? Well, the Arctic blast will move in for us. Temperatures tomorrow are very, very cold. Now, on Thursday is a weather alert day for us. We're going to deal with temperatures that are very, very cold throughout the afternoon hours. So we want to alert you of this cold because not only is this cold, but we're seeing the possibility of some snow there as well. Much colder air in place on Thursday and a frigid night with temperatures only falling to the single digits. And here we go on TrueCast as we take a look at the temperature trend on Friday. We finally start to see some improvements on Friday, but that improvement only takes the temperatures to 25 degrees on Friday afternoon for Indianapolis, 27 for Bloomington, 23 for Muncie. So after today, we're not seeing much in the way of 40-degree temperatures. Enjoy today. Valentine's Day, you have big plans? Well, it's going to be a cold one, unfortunately. Here's your weekend forecast. Friday, maybe you have plans on Friday. It's the better day of the weekend, but it's still cold with a high of 25 degrees. On Saturday, 20 degrees with overnight lows in the single digits once again. So Sunday morning is another day where we deal with this frigid weather. The cold air sticks around next week, seeing a high temperature on Monday of 26. Tuesday, a high of only 32. This morning, grab the coat, bundle up. Temperatures at 41 by afternoon, not bad, but still chilly this morning.